Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll walk you through how to cancel your Hostinger paid subscription the right way, step by step. If you've been looking for a clear, foolproof method to stop Hostinger from automatically renewing your plan, this video is exactly what you need. Stick around till the end because I'll also explain an important detail about what happens after you cancel auto renewal. Alright, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger website. On the homepage, look toward the top right corner. You'll find the Why You Login Alt-Sig button. Click on it and sign in using your email and password. This will take you straight into your Wall Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. Once you're inside the dashboard, it's time to go to the billing section. This is where all your payments, invoices, and subscriptions are managed. You'll see a menu or sidebar on the left-hand side. Simply click on in billing. Now that you're in the billing area, locate the subscriptions tab. This is where you can view every service you currently have with Hostinger. If you manage multiple websites or hosting plans, make sure to select the correct subscription you want to cancel. You'll notice a small arrow icon next to each active plan. Click that to reveal more options. Here's the key part. Look for the option that says Disable Auto Renewal. Click on it once and you'll see a confirmation message pop up. Hostinger does this to make sure you're not turning it off by accident. Confirm your choice by clicking the confirmation button, and that's it. Your subscription will no longer renew automatically at the end of your current billing cycle. Now, one important thing to understand: disabling auto renewal does not cancel your hosting immediately. You'll still be able to use your hosting plan and all related features until the current paid term expires. After that date, your plan will simply end and won't renew again unless you decide to manually reactivate it. If at any point you feel unsure or can't find the exact buttons mentioned, you can always contact Hostinger's support team through their live chat or help center. They're available 24/7 and can guide you through the process directly. And that's how you successfully cancel your Hostinger paid subscription in 2025. Simple, safe, and will go 100% effective. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech and website management guides, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover another Hostinger topic next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.